Now I'd like to get into some of the specific events at ICC, starting with the Discover Gallery. Ever since our 2014 conference, we've proudly presented the Discover Gallery as a video showcase of the most innovative ignition applications built by members of our global ignition community. Travis, since you're so heavily involved in the Discover Gallery, could you tell us a little bit more about it?
Absolutely, yeah. I love the Discover Gallery. It is one of my favorite events that we do at the conference because we get to see all these amazing projects that the community is building out there. So at the beginning of the year, we started collecting submissions. We received more than 40 submissions. We narrowed that down to 17 exceptional projects that we're going to feature in this year's gallery. And now I'm really excited to unveil the list of companies whose projects have been selected this year. Here is the list of integrators and end users who will be featured in this year's Discover Gallery. AT Automation for EKK Eagle Simrax, Automation Mechatronics for BWX Limited, Barry Waymiller Design Group for Autolus Therapeutics, BIJC for Scottish Leather Group, Brock Solutions for United Airlines, Brown Engineers LLC for Ultimate Service Associates, FG Automacao Industrial for Saint-Gobain, Flexware Innovation for American Water, Grantech for National Resilience Incorporated, Industrial Networking Solutions for Dudley Brothers, Norlex Producteur, Peak Control Systems Integrators for Matheson Trigas, Rizzu 31, Sage Group for Alexandrina Council, Streamline Control for CHS, Vertec for SB Energy, and finally, Wunderlich Malik Engineering for Stone Brewing. And what an amazing set of projects that we have here. So to see these projects and to find out which ones are winning an Ignition Firebrand Award, you've got to attend ICC, either in person or virtual.
Thanks, Travis. Before we move on, can you tell us what some of the common trends are that you see in this year's Discover Gallery projects?
Absolutely. Yeah, it's always really exciting for us to look at the projects that are submitted and to kind of see the different trends that are happening, especially as we look at industry trends, out there. And in this year, we had three specific trends that we found. The first and foremost was that the projects are just simply larger and they're really pushing the boundaries of ignition. There's more data, more devices that people are trying to access and bring in, more people that are trying to get access, to the applications, the client, and the more features that people are really using. They're really giving customers a full feature set. So that was one trend that we saw. Another is looking at industry trends is we're seeing Industry 4.0 in action and digital transformation in action. So that is the use of edge computing, the use of MQTT, and the use of cloud. You're going to see a lot of projects where all three of those elements are in play. And it's really exciting to see the benefits and the innovation that's happened there. And lastly, the last trend we saw is really around the perspective module for ignition. And we're seeing some really amazing projects and applications that are built on perspective, that are completely mobile responsive design, and that really are providing a lot of benefit to people getting data to on their phones and tablets, and no matter where they happen to be. So those three trends you're going to see in this year's gallery, and I'm really looking forward for everybody to see these projects, as we had a lot of fun going through them here.
Thanks, Travis. Now, here's the awards trophy for this year's Firebrand Award winners. Doug, can you tell us about the Firebrand Award and how your team came up with a new trophy design?
Yeah. So the Firebrand Awards are given to the companies that build the most outstanding ignition projects in our Discover Gallery every year. The award represents excellence in ignition application design and implementation, as well as the collaborative community spirit and commitment to outstanding customer service that truly sets the ignition community apart. We wanted a design for the reward that communicated the positive energy of our community, as well as our innovative thinking. So we chose design elements like geometric shapes, high contrast colors, and large type to communicate the clear vision and bold thinking of our award winners. Of course, the most impressive thing about the Firebrand Award is the work of the companies that win that award. All the videos of the Firebrand Award winning projects, as well as the projects from the rest of the Discover Gallery finalists, will be available to view at on our conference website when the conference starts in September. So all the attendees will be able to get inspired by their work.